Hi there, Perpetualites! I am Julia together with...
Inyong barkadang Arya, matatanong natin ng iba't ibang course dito sa ating university kung kamusta naman ang kanilang preliminary examinations.
Kaya na panghintay nyo. Tara! Hi, Perpetualites! We are here with...
Evan, second year BSA.
And Patrick, second year BSA.
Hi, I am Crisea Chloe B. Badana, a first year AB Communication student.
I'm Mary Jessica C. Divino, and I'm a first year AB Com student.
I'm Rafa Rubino, a first year AB Communication.
And I'm Cyrene Rania, first year AB Communication as well.
Aldrich Prince Mendoza, first year BS Radtech.
Jabis Bigalido, first year BSAMT.
Ali J. Anodado, first year BSMT.
And Justin Alagar, first year BSAMT.
Okay, so for our first question, kamusta po ang inyong mga prelims?
Prelim? Yung prelim pa namin, kakasart lang, and yes, sa una medyo stressful, but syempre kailangan natin tanggapin na students tayo, and syempre we are responsible for these exams.
Nakakapanibago, I guess, but kinaya naman siya. Since siguro the transition from senior high to college is really different.
It was okay naman. I'm a bit confident in my prelims examination. But for me, nung una, syempre, it was a bit overwhelming then for me because the transition from senior high and college, medyo, syempre nakaka-pressure siya as a freshie like me.
Okay naman, since major din yung mga exams namin.
Satisfied and proud of myself na nasagutan ko yung exam, and I think maganda naman naging performance ko this prelims.
So paano nyo naman pinaghandaan yung prelims nyo?
Siguro for me, ginawa ko is nag-aral ako a week early. And nag-take notes ako sa mga previous classes and sa mga classes na iti-take namin for this day. And make sure na mag-save kayo na ample time para sa sarili nyo na mag-aral kayo sa bahay.
Siyempre, binasa na namin lahat ng PPTs, ginather na namin lahat ng notes, nag-combine courses na kami. And ayun, sabay kami nag-early.
Gaya ng ginawa namin kanina, nag-group study po kami magkakaibigan. Para po sa akin, mga first week pa lang po, nag-take down notes na po ako para prepared pa ako sa prelims.
I'm proud of you, you know that. I hope you do.
So for our last question, ano ang maipapayo mo sa ating mga magte-take ng prelims pa?
Okay guys, sabi ko nga, #no to cramming. So, wag na po tayo magka-cram. Iwan na po natin yung mga nagawa natin nung junior high, senior high, and dapat maging ready talaga tayo and prepared for the prelims examination.
Dapat hindi tayo nag-review with so much pressure kasi hindi pumapasok sa utak lahat ng information.
Wag sila masyado kabahan. Since pag masyado kayong kabahan, may mental block kayo. And again, don't pull an all-nighter. I suggest, na dapat mag-study kayo at least 1 week before the exam or a few days before the exam, not the day before.
Siguro po, mag-focus po kayo sa mga review nyo. Tulad nga po nung sabi ko kanina, gumawa po kayo ng mga reviewer. And also, don't forget to pray before and after the exam, guys.
Para sa akin, chill lang. Huwag kayo masyadong kabahan kasi pag kinakabahan kayo, mas wala kayong masasagot.
For me naman, huwag kayo susuko. Kahit like mahirap or hindi nyo maintindihan sa study, go lang.
Thank you so much po sa inyo. Bye!